Namaskar and a very good morning. Welcome to the audio Cosmic Kotak Securities. I am your host and guide Anindya Bannerjee. The global stock market rout continues. The Asian equity markets are sharply lower. Dollar index is firm, almost about to cross their July highs. Or euro dollar is at the lowest level since December 2002. तो European currencies में जो rout है, that is also spreading into Asian currencies as well. The dollar CNH or the Chinese currency is equally weaker. 6.87 on the USD CNH. अगर global economy का pain points को देखा जाए तो one hand is Europe, which is facing deep recessionary and high inflation conditions. दूसरा है China, which is similarly facing recessionary conditions but not high inflation. So China and Europe को अगर मिलाया जाए तो that economic size compared to the global economy is significant. And that large economic size is now under stress, means that the global economy will be also under stress. So that's the reason why the stock market sell-off is continuing. But interestingly, USDINR in the offshore market is not showing much movement. 79, 87, 88 के आसपास है spot, which will be, if it opens at that level, then it will be a flat opening. क्योंकि 79, 92, 93 के आसपास August futures can start trading. Now, what is the outlook? The outlook is clearly upward. Yes, Indian rupee is outperforming significantly its peers for the past 10 days or so. But considering the fact that oil prices have bounced back from almost 91 levels to 98 now, therefore rupee looks to be in a spot of borderage, and considering that, USDINR may see an up move. But 80 ke aspas there is a huge call writing which has happened, and at this same time there is an apprehension that RBI intervention will be quite heavy, because if it crosses 80.06 on the spot, it will be a fresh all-time high. But buy on dips is advocated because global situation is hostile, and in that kind of scenario, it looks difficult for that dollar rupee will come down much. Therefore, you can use futures or call options to go long. Of course, maintain a proper stop loss in them. Support level is 79.80 and 79.60 on the August futures. So it's a buy on dips. We will now avoid it shorting the straddles or strangles at this point in time, क्योंकि global situation को देखते हुए plus the dollar rupee is very close to a breakout point of 80.05, 80.10 on the spot. It is advisable that, and the implied volatility is also not high, so it is better to avoid shorting straddles or strangles. But in any case, if you are wanting to do that kind of a trade, it is advisable that you hedge yourself on the upside. Means if you are shorting a straddle, then buy an out of money call, and if you are shorting a strangle, you basically buy a far out of money call. So you are hedging yourself on the upside. Euro INR, GBP INR both will be under pressure. Yen INR may see slower kind of a down move, but Euro and Yen INR will be both under pressure. So the bias over there is bearish. आज Europe से PMI numbers will be out, the flash PMIs for the month of August, and it's going to be key because it's expected to come poor. So if it comes much weaker than expectation, Euro INR can come under hammering, and that can push the USD INR upwards, because euro dollar ka impact is felt in across all currencies globally. So that's it, folks. This is Anindya Bannerjee signing off. Fantastic day ahead.